Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hi, I am Mubashira and I am from Maruday School. Our topic for today is about a podcast that is about Harvard and MIT University, and the member of today's podcast are Navya, Anjika and Maria.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
MIT and Harvard University are very big and knowledgeable universities. They are one of the biggest engineering universities in the world. Children across all over the world come here for engineering. There are also very interesting activities, games and competition for students. Now, I will pass on this topic to my friend Maria.
I am Maria Khan. I would just like to add on to what Mubashira said. I'm here to talk about Boston University in general. So let us start with MIT, which is Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is a private research university in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Established in 1861, it has played a significant role in the development of many areas of modern technology and science. It offers a wide range of undergraduate and graduate courses across multiple disciplines. It is not just famous for academic excellence but also for its quirky, creative, and deeply intellectual culture. The community thrives on fun traditions, hacks, and events that show off the ingenuity and humor of its students. I would personally apply to this university as I want a major in dermatology and cosmetic surgeon, so I would like to go for biological engineering with BMed. Now I'm passing on the microphone to Navya.
Hey, it's me Navya. I am from Maruday School. Visiting MIT and Harvard felt like stepping into a dream. Going to the campus, I could almost feel the energy of the brilliant minds and the world-changing ideas all around me. MIT, the tech vibe was thrilling, robotic labs and etc. at every corner, while Harvard historical charm made me feel like I was a part of something timeless. Boston itself, beautiful with its cobblestone street, cozy cafes and riverside views, it was the beautiful mix of history and youth. A girl who loves history and adventure, this trip lit a fire in me. I left inspired and in love with the city. Now I will pass this mic to my friend.
Hi, I'm Anjika, the student of Maruday School, and I went on an insightful trip to Boston, visiting both Harvard and MIT. Starting off with MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I learned about the diverse academic exposure, which it explored various fields including computer science, chemistry honors, gained exposure to engineering, artificial intelligence, etc. And learning, we observed how MIT uniquely combines science and humanity as secondary subjects, providing students with a broad exposure to the world and its diverse functions. This interdisciplinary approach is a hallmark of MIT's education. Moving forward with Harvard University, even without a full campus tour, we learned about the significant details about the Harvard formation, its founders, and how it operates. However, there's an international student scholarship debate going on that is proposed by President Donald Trump to potentially stop scholarship for international students at Harvard. This would limit admission to American citizens only. The current status of the proposal, however, is the debate is still going on and the outcomes are uncertain. Overall, our visit provided a truly comprehensive understanding of the academic excellence, historical depth, and dynamical challenges faced by the two of the world's most distinguished universities. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.